my name is Bettina. I'm a pastry chef and I'm going to teach you today how to make cheese pancakes. To start off with, I like to have all my ingredients at room temperature. This ensures that everything combines the easiest and prevents overmixing. I'm going to start with a cup of ricotta cheese, 3/4 of a cup of milk, 4 eggs that I've separated, a cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to start beating my eggs with the ricotta. Break the eggs up a little bit. I beat the cheese with the yolks first, and then slowly add the milk mixture until that's all cohesive and mixed together. Then I'm going to sift together my dry ingredients, my flour, salt, and baking soda. You want to make sure all of that, the lumps get out and you're aerating the flour a little bit. Okay. And with the egg whites, I've beaten them so that they're at soft peaks. And I'm going to combine all these together. And gently break them up. And now they're ready to fry. Once you're ready to fry, heat up your sauté pan and put a light coating of butter on it. You don't want to put too much or the pancake will absorb all the oil and become kind of heavy and tough. Take about a 1/4 cup of batter and pour it on. You don't have to make a perfect circle, but just sort of shape it in how you would like it, the final product, as big or small as you want. And then what you're going to do is wait for little bubbles to appear on the pancake. That will tell you that it's almost ready to flip. When the bubbles start to burst and the sides of the pancake dry out a bit, take a peek underneath at how golden it is and then flip the pancake. Once that's fried for a couple minutes on that side, add it to your plate with a little butter, and it's ready to eat. I'm Bettina. Thank you for watching.